Dewalt are calling Powerstack the next dimension in power, and to be fair, it is a pretty big change from what we're all used to. And with a name like Powerstack, you're expecting power, and you're getting exactly that. This thing is said to be up to 50% more powerful than a standard 2 amp battery, and you can see yourself getting results similar to that of a 4 amp battery. And when you hold it side by side with an XR battery, you can see that difference in size straight away. And if you need another way to visualize it, imagine Rich standing next to me. In fact, Dewalt love to mention that it is 25% smaller than your standard XR battery, making it much easier to use in tight spaces. That said, it still looks like a standard battery, so you start to wonder, how can something that looks essentially the same still have such a difference? Now, when looking inside the two, the standard lithium-ion battery is made up of cylindrical cells, meaning that the battery is going to travel in between these cells and into the tool. Because of this, the distribution in between these cells is actually pretty limited. But with the Powerstack battery, the energy is transferred between these pouch cells, meaning that the energy has a lot more space to be transferred in, and this is what gives you that additional power. And this is also why the battery is so much smaller. These pouch cells take up a lot less space than the cylindrical ones. It's worth noting though that alongside the release of the Powerstack specific tools, these batteries can be used in any of Dewalt's 18-volt tools. And this is something that Dewalt like to do. You know, they've been serving the trade for so many years, and they know exactly what people want. And they know you don't want to have to be going out and buying specific tools. And that is why you can use this battery in the ones you've already got. The technology on hand here is seriously impressive, although Powerstack doesn't quite have the range that you've come to see with Dewalt's XR or even their FlexVolt batteries. But it's clear to see that this is the way that Dewalt are heading, and so it's a perfect time to jump on board and get ahead of the trend. If you want to see more from Dewalt and Dewalt Powerstack, then its.co.uk is the place to be. With a brand new Dewalt Superstore, we are the new home of all things Dewalt, with reviews, buying guides, videos, and much more over at its.co.uk.